In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Robinhood account. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Robinhood app, and then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on your profile just like so. And then it is going to give you a brief overview of your account, all of the different stuff that you do have. And all we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on the top left over here to the three bars. And then it is going to open up this menu, and all we need to do is go ahead and press on transfers. Then once we're over here, all we need to do is we need to go ahead and scroll down until we see the option that says linked account. And from here, you want to make sure that you link a debit card or a bank account. So if you have not linked a bank account or a debit card yet, do not worry, because all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on this button that says add new account. And then you can either go ahead and put in a debit card or a bank account. And it should be relatively easy. You should be able to do it with just the information. And it really doesn't take that long either if you're doing it with a debit card. But if you're doing it with your bank account, then it may take a little bit longer, so please just keep that in mind. All right, but anyways, once you went ahead and got an account linked to Robinhood, all we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on this button over here that says deposit. And then all you want to do is you want to select how much money you would like to deposit and go ahead and pick from what account that you would like to take the money from. So it could be like your bank account or your debit card. So my screen is black at the moment due to privacy reasons, and that's just what the screen recorder actually does. But you need to pick from what account to actually take the money from, and then pick it to what account it is going to arrive to. And basically all you need to do is just review everything, and then you should be able to deposit money into your Robinhood account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.